So a customer brought in this Audi with misfire codes and it running rough, check engine flashing. So we scanned it, we saw cylinder 2 is misfiring. So what we did first is made sure the compression is good on cylinder 2, and you can really see the condition of these sparklets. They're
Okay.
just terrible. So compression looks good, so we went ahead and installed new spark plugs and new ignition coils. Now in these, it's very common for the ignition coils to fail. And we rarely see people do preventative maintenance, changing spark plugs and ignition coils. Most of the time, people replace them when, they fail and they get a misfire, which sometimes can lead to engine failure. We've seen spark plug tips break off because they're so worn, or people just keep driving on the misfire and it washes the cylinder out. So it might be a good idea for you to check your spark plugs if you haven't replaced them in a while, just to make sure things are running smoothly. And don't forget to check the simple things like air filter, belts, fluid levels. So we reset the codes, make sure there's no codes, we start it up, car is running smooth. And last thing to do is go on a test drive, verify no codes come back, and hand it off to the customer, and on to the next one.